Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Torrential slide generally was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum, in opposition to prevalent thinking. It is one of only a handful of exceptional blockchain stages that takes into consideration genuinely truly decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second certainly makes it a suitable contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide in a real sense was established by 3 PhD moves on from Cornell University. The Avalanche convention explicitly depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell in a very significant manner. The group accepts that they explicitly have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while especially accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization in an unobtrusive way. What is Avalanche, Avax? Torrential slide is a Layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to expel Ethereum as the most broadly utilized blockchain for brilliant agreements in a significant manner. While keeping up with versatility, it expects to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential slide, Avax, fundamental analysis. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage for extremely decentralized finance, DeFi, and installments. Its really principal point is to make these exchanges safer, effective, and open to everybody incredibly. The Avalanche network is based on 3 support points: security, dependability, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art innovations, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up until this point, the stage has been exceptionally fruitful in drawing in clients and engineers. Truth be told, it is one of the for the most part quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion really worth of resources secured in its brilliant agreements. There are a few justifications for why Avalanche could essentially be a wise venture. First, the group behind the undertaking is exceptionally capable and has a really impressive history in the business. Second, the stage is continually advancing and adding new elements that make it more appealing to clients. Third, Avalanche truly serious areas of strength for has with a portion of unquestionably the greatest names in the crypto space which provides it with a ton of perceivability and dependability. The Avalanche network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman which for the most part depends on the Federated Byzantine Agreement, FBA, as opposed to prevalent thinking. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS. Torrential slide likewise especially has an exceptional component called virtual chains which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, sort of free of the others. This in a real sense implies that every hub can tweak its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization, or so they thought. This makes Avalanche more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains since every hub isn't restricted by the standards of the whole organization. Torrential slide, Avax, current price. Torrential slide is as of now essentially worth $22.30. Avax has moved -3.31% in the truly most recent 24 hours with an exchanging volume of $492,765,867 in an exceptionally huge manner. Torrential slide is at present position 15 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $6,275,042,497 Torrential slide, Avax. Price prediction 2022. Torrential slide, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, Avax. The Avax cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's truly last part, potentially coming to $33.44, which basically is genuinely critical. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow. However, no extensive certainly drops are normal in a significant manner. Averaging $31.21 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Avax generally is supposed to have a base worth of $26.76 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide, Avax, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Avalanche Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Avax will before long outperform $55.74 in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, we ought to sit tight to in every practical sense, check whether the Avax's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Avax will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $44.59 and a typical exchanging cost of $49.05. Torrential slide, Avax, price prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $78.04 and Avax might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Avax especially is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $71.35 and a low of $66.89 in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide, Avax, price prediction 2025, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that Avalanche effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the Avax coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years, in spite of prevalent thinking. As per our projections, Avax will be green in 2025. The Avax is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $100.33, with a base cost of $89.18 and a typical cost of $93.64. Torrential slide, Avax, price prediction 2026 in an unpretentious way. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Avax cost is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $115.94 by 2026, with a base cost of $111.48 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Avax has a really greatest value worth of $122.63. Torrential slide, Avax, price prediction 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the very normal cost to around $100.